What are the Volvo XC90 Panoramic Sunroof problems found in Decatur? When you buy a modern car like Volvo XC90, its sunroof is fun to use. Thus, the sunroof comes with a sunblind to prevent the cabin from heating. Panoramic sunroof allows more light into the cabin and makes the cabin feel larger. When the sunroof is used improperly, you will notice serious damage to the car. The following points define the panoramic sunroof problems found in Volvo XC90. Electrical issues. When the sunroof has any electrical damage, it will seem to be inoperable, such as a faulty switch, a broken fuse. Due to the non-functioning sunroof, the rain is about to pour and cause severe damage. Sunroof explosion. Small cracks can impact the stability of sunroof glass and cause it spontaneously shatter. At this point, you will find that the sunroof suddenly makes a violent rattling noise. Sunroof leaks. Clog on the drain of the sunroof or wear of rubber seals can cause sunroof leakages. Both cases are not that costly to get fixed and cause some serious damage to the car. Mechanical issues. When the dirt or gunk gets stuck in the gears which are operating the sunroof may fail badly. By checking out the glass panel or the gears, you can troubleshoot the problem easily. Glass cracks. A broken sunroof glass will not have a tint that can allow the car to get hotter during summer, colder during winter. If the glass is cracked or broken, it will mess up the aerodynamics and use more fuel. Conclusion. Neglecting the small damages to the sunroof may damage it entirely in your car. When the sunroof of the Volvo XC90 has any problems, you have to diagnose it ASAP.